We are incredibly excited. It means the world to us to be working with Motor Trader and to be headline partner of Motor Trader Retailing Expo.
It presents an exciting opportunity for both independent and franchise dealers to get together and see the best suppliers in the market today.
There's nothing of its kind as far as we're aware, certainly not for independent and franchise dealers. And of course it's going to be held at the home of British Motor Racing, Silverstone Circuit.
There have been lots of changes in the automotive industry over the last couple of years, obviously post-pandemic being the most notable.
Obviously there have been issues with new car supply, used car shortages, used car prices rocketing. We've got the FCA, the consumer duty coming in. There's all kinds of things going on, so it's really important that dealers and suppliers are proactive.
We have recently launched our electrical vehicle policy, Fusion, which covers both hybrid and full electric vehicles. And we also have some other products in the pipeline to help assist dealers as they potentially miss revenue from the likes of servicing intervals on electric vehicles, so they can replace those revenue streams elsewhere.
We've got Ben Collins, our brand ambassador, the former Stig from Top Gear. He'll be joining us on the stand. On the stand itself, we've got competitions, prizes, challenges. The live stages will be packed with lots of great content. There will also be interactive workshops, practical demonstrations and a few fun challenges during the day, which we're really excited about. This is a fantastic opportunity for dealers to meet some of the UK's leading suppliers face to face, to hear insightful talks from industry experts and to see and experience some of the latest products and innovations.
When it was first announced and we saw the opportunity, it was something we all agreed very quickly that we would jump at the chance to support Motor Trader with this event, and we're incredibly excited to be at Silverstone.